we're going to learn how to tie the Prusik knot. This is the first and simplest of the climbing hitches that we're going to learn how to tie. To tie the Prusik knot, I'm going to use a stitched I&I. We're going to take some sort of climbing Prusik, and we're going to create a girth hitch on the line. Okay, something like that. And then we're going to do it again. All right, so we're forming this coil that we see here. And then we're going to do it one more time. Squeeze these in, like so. So that what we're left with is a coil that has 6 parts to it. And essentially what we've done is we've created 3 girth hitches on top of each other. Now, what is a climbing hitch and what does this Prusik hitch do? It allows us to move it freely up and down the rope. But when it is loaded on this end, let's say if I add some sort of carabiner or hardware, if I pull down on that, it's going to bite the rope without damaging the rope. In this case, it's going to bite the rope and allow us to load that to a degree. The best part about this is that as soon as it's unloaded, I can push it back up again and push it down again. Now, if I load it, I am also able to control my descent. So if I gently press down here and I'm applying force down here with my other arm, you can come down the rope controlled. What does this mean and why is this useful? This was the first iteration of a Prusik hitch. This is what many climbers will learn. Maybe not first, but first or second or even third in their climbing journeys. This is the most basic climbing hitch and is still semi-frequently used on adjustable lanyards, work positioning lanyards, but it is such a simple knot to tie that it's really good to know in the field. It can also be tied around rigging lines to bring back and give yourself some mechanical advantage, different things like that. But it's a very simple and useful knot to know.